I'm in. I'm behind the camera. Whoa!
Yeah. We are taking
this
the
content
shower.
gonna be amazing. As you see, this is a natural river. You see?
Buga.
This is the Bugo.
Guys, this is African man sharing a dish of water.
Marwa 254.
Marwa 254, that's the port of the swimming pool. You know, we have a swim, but we don't have a pool here.
And it's natural,
It's
not
not
a
a swimming
seasonal.
Wow.
We have a swim, but we don't have
We don't have a pool.
Yeah, we have a swim,
Hey!
but we don't have a pool.
It's like you have
Say
a
bye
You
bye.
have a jet,
Yeah.
you don't have
Say
a
bye
car.
bye. Bye bye.
Sasa tulifaa tushuke huko miti huko juu.
Hii sio kaza kupeleka mtoni. Hapa. Mastrate.
Sasa wale watajua aje?
Hola! Kuja!
Wosa.
Hapa!
Kwani mtu iko wapi?
Kuna hapa.
Eh?
Hapo hivi tuliendaga. Hapo chini kwa hiyo rover pa tuende hivi turudi hivi.
Salale. Si tupite hapa kwa mwindi. Juu hiyo njia si mzuri. Kweli. Hatuwezi chaleka.
Huko kumezibwa kila mahali watu kufundisha njia.
Usitupite huko. Huyu mtu anakuja tuambie chukua majembe. Chukua majembe muanze kazi.
Mwanze kazi.
Kujeni! Natusikia! Sawa!
Za jana. This is the basement. One more time guys. This is one way to create the content now from village. I have a friend now. So hope you will see now. So want to do something now loud. Need to go there. So this is the big forest from Ireland, bro. So if you are the first time to watch my video, make sure you subscribe. Was Babatash now. Hope you enjoyed this video. It's amazing.
It's me Osemo 254. Osemo 254. Show some love. Yeah, my guys, we want to take a shower. Here I'm carrying the soap with something
yes.
to wash our body.
Yes,
we want to shower.
Full body.
Yeah, we want to shower. Just show some love. And don't forget to subscribe my channel there, Osemo 254, with my friends' channels. We have so many people, so many friends. Want to take shower in this river. We're going to enjoy. This content.
Yes.
It is a beautiful content, a hot content. Just stay tuned and see this content until the end. You're going to like it.
Wow.
Yeah.
Subscribe now.
Subscribe.
It's a matter.
Yes, guys, support me. See my stand there.
They were angle.
Yes, just internet the camera there.
The camera.
Guys,
This
see
camera.
my stand, guys. You see,
Guys,
that is my
hey,
stand, guys.
this is
Support
the
me.
one with technology.
Guys.
Maro 254. Make sure you subscribe. And then Babatash is here now.
Yes.
Enjoy the video from village now. This is our best friend from Africa now.
Started.
Yes.
Yeah.
Pure Africans.
Yeah.
What do you feel, man?
I feel good.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm very happy to be with you.
Today you look like you don't have a vibe. Why?
Actually, Actually, I was asleep. That's why look, I don't have a vibe there.
You sleep or...
I slept late.
Okay. Friendo!
Baruti!
How you feel, man?
It's a boy Chacha 254. Okay, I'm Merengo 254. I'm in YouTube channel. Please kindly show some love, guys.
Subscribe.
Subscribe our channel, guys.
Alright, how is it?
Hey, I'm good. I am Buga.
Yes. Buga.
Yes.
Buga.
Follow me.
Yes.
Comment.
One love. You want to shower now?
You wanna take a
Okay, this is the liver, guys. So my friend want to share this. So hope you enjoyed this video, guys. This is a small water. There'll be a this one is a water, you know? So you can drink from this guy. Hey! So guys, you can follow this in channel, guys. So I was sliding now, but it's okay. This is a cool liver, guys. So you can enjoy it. You can enjoy it. You know, this is amazing, guys. It's amazing. So you can follow this. This liver is so sweet to. You can the angle. You can see this. You know. So this is the water water. The sun is so hot, guys. So maybe this is an Oesha friend. It's coming well, and you sub. Yes. So always, guys, I need everyone. You see this a nation to come inland to show every fine to make this living hot. So yes. Anyway, this is also people. Bomba Gladys. Yes. Hiyo nyashi inaonekana bro, sita.
Wala mchunge tu matako na madudu sionekane zienda kwa yote.
Hiyo inafungwa tu direct. So mchunge. Usoi posti pono. Hiyo inaenda dakika 0 lakini community kiangalia bro. Channel inaenda hivyo. The way you
Ndio nimepiga nikiwa lilia imeenda.
Asirudishe siko pale kwingine.
Nimeenda kwa recycle bin huko ndio nimetoa kila kitu.
Bado si mwingine mkuje. Hazina ziko best. Simu nafaa hivyo.
Alafu ndo ukasimame pale. Ndo simame huko. Umrudi kuja mkuu wote. Tunaogea hapa wote.
Wewe dogo kuja. Kuja usimame hapo. Hapo simama hapo.
Usiemo, msaidieni wasaidiane.
This the love is so. Simu kuja hii side. Hii kijipa bro.
Akimboka do?
This is the cameraman.
The cameraman.
Is that
two phones at
Hey.
the same time.
the same time, bro?
The same time, bro. Hey, this one is not easy. Not easy as you think.
To create content not easy. Cameraman, how do you feel, cameraman? Una feel aje? Cameraman, eh? The next vision you are superstar. Huh? Why ni superstar? Noma sana. One more time is afraid you come.
Yeah. Like you see here, like you see, we wash our body.
You see this love is so. Wachana viatu bro. Si wage kwanza utanini.
Ndio nashangana.
Sasa nilikuwa nataka zikauke.
Content ngoji bro. Tunakesha
Here guys, you are taking bath.
Yeah. Angalia kamera yako. Angalia kamera yako. Oh. Angalia kamera yako.
Oh, as you see here guys, you are taking bath.
Yeah.
With my guys.
But never mind.
Never mind.
African man sharing a ditch of water.
Wakati nimwagilie maji mpaka video iishe.
Parodi 254.
Here guys. Just enjoying my bath with my friends.
Yes.
Keep tuning guys.
And one who was smoking the water,
Don't stop
Vuru-
kumwaga the maji.
Vuruta hiyo kitu.
This guy is mwaga.
Unavuruta juu.
Huyu mtu bana anamaliza maji. Anamaliza maji bwana anashaka.
I want to finish this water.
All right.
This guy
Come, not
want to finish this water. And as we have not already
Finish.
Yes,
Let me give you a soap. Here my nigga.
yes. Then you put a soap here first. I finish this water.
All right. Okay.
Yeah, he said you want to finish the water.
Okay.
This remaining little water here. Just a few.
I'm in. I'm behind the camera. Whoa.
Yeah. We are taking
This
the
content
shower.
will be amazing. As you see, this is a natural river. You see?
This is the Bugo.
Guys, this is African man sharing a ditch of water.
Marwa 254.
Marwa 254, that's the port of the swimming pool. You know, we have a swim, but we don't have a pool here.
And
Oh,
it's natural,
it's
not
not
a
a swimming
seasonal.
Wow.
We have a swim, but we don't have
We don't have a pool.
Yeah, we have a
Hey.
we don't have a pole.
It's like you have
Say
a
bye
you
bye.
have a jet,
Yeah.
you don't
Say
have a
bye
car.
bye. Bye bye.